Hello, I'm Solomon from eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. Today we're going to discuss what you do when your Siemens dishwasher is not starting and not filling up with water. In such cases, you will often hear the pump working for about 30 seconds, followed by the machine not being able to get any water in. Error codes might appear on your Siemens dishwasher, E16, E17 and E18. All of these point to an issue with the water supply or the water inlet valve inside your appliance. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that anything is broken. There are a few checks that you should perform before opening your dishwasher. So without further ado, let's jump into it. To replace the water inlet valve on your dishwasher, you are going to need a thin flat blade screwdriver and a pair of pliers. And of course, you will also need a replacement water inlet valve for your Siemens dishwasher. You'll also be able to find it on the eSpares website. We will leave a link for you in the description below. Always remember, safety first. Switch off your appliance from the mains and unplug it before carrying out any work. First things first, make sure the dishwasher isolation valve is turned off. Disconnect the hose from the appliance and drop it into a bucket. Make sure it's still connected to the isolation valve. You can then go ahead and switch on the dishwasher isolation valve and you should see a steady flow of water. However, if there isn't a steady flow of water or there's only drips, there could be an issue with the main water supply rather than your dishwasher. Next, inspect your Siemens dishwasher drain hose. If you find that your drain hose is kinked, damaged or worn out, you can find a replacement drain hose in the eSpares store, link in the description below. If after your inspection you find that the hose is fine and the water pressure is acceptable, the error code you're experiencing could be due to a faulty water inlet valve. But don't worry, the Siemens dishwasher repair is simple, straightforward and can be performed by anyone without the need of calling an engineer. Let's take you through it right now. The water inlet valve is located on the bottom right of your appliance. To access this, we want to lay it on its front on a soft, stable surface, and it's located just here. Using your flat blade screwdriver, we want to access the clip just to the left of the water inlet valve and gently just push that to lift it out. And as you can see, the inlet valve is just here. To remove the cover, we want to slowly open the tabs like so. And it should remove. On the left hand side you'll see the electrical connection. If you just push down on this tab here, you'll be able to remove the connection like so. If you own a multimeter, this will be the perfect opportunity to test your water valve to see whether it is faulty or not. To do this, set the multimeter to 20k ohms. Then place one prong on one terminal of the valve and the other prong to the second terminal, like so. The reading should be around 35,000 ohms. If you're not getting a reading at all, the valve is definitely faulty and should be replaced. Now with your pliers, we want to remove the Jubilee clip, like so. To ensure the Jubilee clip doesn't go to the back of the machine, we want to push it against the plastic here, so it just holds in place. With your pliers, squeeze the tube. And then just twist like so. And it should just come off like that. It's now time to purchase a new water inlet valve for your dishwasher. You'll need to know the model number of your dishwasher. If you don't know where this is or how to find it, you can check out our link here for more information. It's now time to insert your new water inlet valve into the inlet tube, like so. And then with your pliers, we're going to move the Jubilee clip back onto the hose to secure it in place, like so. And there you go. The next step is to refit the electrical connection. There are grooves on the side that show where this should be positioned. The wire can only go in one way. Simply plug it back in like so. Align the cutout in the valve cover with the valve itself, then place it on and push it down. The cover should click into place. There are two tabs on the right side of the cover. You should tuck those in and slide them into place in the cabinet and push down to secure the valve in place. You should hear a click. Following these steps should resolve your Siemens dishwasher error, whether it's the E16, E17 or E18. Also, we have a playlist dedicated to more Siemens errors. Be sure to check it out if you ever run into any other issues with your dishwasher. And if you're having trouble with any other household appliances, why not take a look through our channel? We have many more repair and maintenance guides, so subscribe for all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.